In this video, I will show how to fix Windows Update error 0x8024a203. So start settings. Now troubleshoot. Other troubleshoot as Windows Update. So run on Windows Update this troubleshooter and follow the suggestions which you see here. And once this complete, just restart your system. Another method you can try. Type here CMD. Run as administrator. And here, now here, type this command one by one. First one, SFC. So type this command and press enter and complete this scanning. And once this complete, you have to copy and paste or type this command. Second one. And press enter. So this is the method, guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.